Hello everyone, welcome to TPelectronic channel. Today I share with everyone how to handle Toshiba 42-inch TV with USB overcurrent error in a simple way. And the remote control cannot be used. Okay, now let's fix it together. Here it is everyone. When Toshiba TVs all models show an error of over USB current, a line will appear in the middle of the screen. This is the power board and this side is the motherboard. VAAVS. The problem with the USB line is this motherboard. There are two USB ports here. We will measure the 5-volt pin of the USB port connected to the USB IC. This is the USB IC, guys. Five volts for USB on pin 1 of IC. Now we can replace the USB IC with a new one, but today I will remove this IC too. This IC you can take out with a normal soldering iron. You can replace the IC with a new one or remove the IC as well and follow me. There are two USB ports here. Let's remove both ICs for safety everyone. And this is the IC of the second USB. This is the 5-volt pin of the USB. And continue to take this IC out, guys. After taking out the IC, we put the motherboard back in and try again. The error message is over USB. The TV has finished booting and the USB overcurrent error is gone, guys. The TV has turned on the power, everyone. Take out the IC here, no 5 volts. We check the pins of the IC just taken out. There will be 5 volts pins. This is the 5-volt pin of the IC pin. We connect this pin to the 5-volt pin of the USB. We just need to take the copper wire and connect it from the 5-volt pin to the 5-volt USB pin. It's okay like this, guys. And continue soldering this 5-volt IC pin as complete. Let's install it and enjoy the results together. If you see the video and feel good and useful, remember to share and subscribe to receive the latest video. Okay, the results have come and everyone has no more USB lines. Now use the remote. OK. Today I will share with you how to fix the USB line error successfully. The video ends here. Bye bye and see you again.